Hey there, what are today's messages? I release all negative energy. You can find more clarity by moving through the fog rather than moving around it. Humility, to be humble and not think of yourself as better than others. First, focus on listening to others in every situation. Seek help when you don't understand something or aren't able to do something yourself. Solicit feedback on how you might do something better or be a better person in challenging situations. At work and in life, make an effort to seek out the opinion or perspective of the most junior or youngest person. Ask yourself, how do my words and actions model humility for others? Your struggle is part of your story. You are resilient. And today's quotes. Go and be your favorite self. Sometimes you just need to disconnect and enjoy your own company. Life is designed to be meaningless. You get to decide its meaning. Waiting for circumstances to change so you can feel good is like looking in a mirror, waiting for your reflection to smile first. Doubt is 100% trust in a belief you don't prefer. Your purpose is to be you as fully as you can, and the way that perhaps most easily done is to act on your highest joy. Maybe it's time to stop putting a band-aid on the wounds and start looking at the symptoms and get to the root causes of all the problems. Changes need to happen. Your partner should empower you to be wild, free, and in love. The right person fuels your fire. They don't extinguish it. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.